If you're a few weeks out from surgery and you're still swollen, still tight, or still not feeling back to normal, you might start wondering, shouldn't I be further along by now? Why am I still feeling this? Did I do something wrong? Most of the time, the answer is no. Healing simply takes longer than most people are told. After surgery, your body isn't just dealing with surface changes. It's managing internal swelling, fluid shifts, scar formation, nerve sensitivity, and pressure changes all at the same time. That process doesn't reset in 2 or 3 weeks. The body heals in layers. First, inflammation begins to settle. Then fluid patterns start to normalize. Then tissues slowly soften. Then strength and balance return. But these phases overlap. They don't happen on a perfect schedule. That's why one day you might feel better, and the next day things feel tighter again. Or swelling improves in one area, while another area suddenly feels firm. That doesn't mean you're going backward, it means your body is adjusting. A lot of frustration in recovery actually comes from unrealistic timelines, not from something being wrong. Social media often shows quick after photos, but it rarely shows the middle of the healing process. Real healing is slower, quieter, and more complex than people expect. If your pain suddenly increases, you feel unwell, or something feels medically concerning, your surgical team should always be your first call. But if you're simply unsure whether your recovery is progressing normally, a structured recovery assessment can help clarify what stage you're in and what your body needs next. Healing isn't slow because your body is failing. It's slower because your body is rebuilding. Take your time, be patient with your progress, and trust the process. You're getting there, one layer at a time. Follow us for more information about post-op and healing.